From your weather authority, here's meteorologist Greg Flynn.
Good afternoon. Cloudy sky as you look at Warren with a quick fill weather camera. Not much rain, though, left over. As we go through the afternoon, there might be a sprinkle. 68 now in Erie with the wind out of the west and northwest. It's been variable today, 5 to 10. And it's humid, too. Dew points in the 60s. Sunrise and sunset times continue to shrink. So today, sunrise at 7:09, sets tonight at 7:16. And in like a week or so, look at that. Sunset will be before 7 o'clock. All right, here's a look at radar right now. A couple sprinkles south and moving away. So as we go through the afternoon, I've noted some clearing, particularly over Lake Erie. So I think there will be some drier air building in, some sunshine developing as we head into the afternoon. Rain from yesterday now well up into northern New England and the northeast kingdom of Vermont. And you can see there are just a few speckled, spotty sprinkles and showers left over. Another little line trying to form over lower Michigan. But I think as we go through the afternoon, balance of the afternoon should be dry with some partial sun kind of in and out of clouds. This is Gabrielle, still a very powerful hurricane, a Category 4 on the Saffir-Simpson scale. Still a very well-defined eye and kind of that symmetrical shape to the storm, although the west side has diminished a little bit, some drier air wrapping in. But look at that. That is still a very healthy looking storm. We are starting to see the eye wall might be going through a little bit of a replacement or weakening, but still a Cat 4 sustained at 140, gusting to 165. The good news is it's moving out into the Atlantic Ocean. The Azores might get an impact, but that little speck right there is the tiny island of Bermuda. Thankfully, Gabrielle spared Bermuda. All right, a leftover sprinkle. That's really about all we're going to see. Then as we get into the afternoon, notice the sky partially clears out. So a little sun as we go towards the sunset hours. And then overnight, mostly cloudy. There will be redeveloping low clouds, likely some fog because there's a lot of moisture at the ground. Might be an isolated shower. And then on Wednesday, mostly cloudy. It'll turn windy, especially as we go into late Wednesday. And it's going to be a southeasterly wind. So that always does a little better in terms of temperature. So probably low to mid 70s with that southeasterly downslope component tomorrow. But late in the day on Wednesday, here comes the next round of rain moving in. And low pressure goes near, or let's say roughly around Cleveland. So we're on that southeast windier quadrant of that low. So that's why the winds are going to pick up heading into later tomorrow. 70, pretty popular number here from the east side to Bend over to Summit. Northeast at 70, Edinburgh as well, 71 in Fairview. Down to the south, 71 Sagertown, 70 in Meadville, upper 60s at last check at Chatty Cathy's house in Youngsville. So a leftover shower, but I think more sun for the afternoon, 74. Turning windy on Wednesday, especially late day, mostly cloudy, rain redeveloping by late day, 75. Rain and wind on Thursday, 72. Still a slight shower chance Friday, but clearing out, which improves the weather for the weekend. Looks great. Again, sunny. Temperatures in the low to mid 70s, maybe another extended stretch of dry weather going into early next week. Forecast there for you on the app, Matt.